2024
Buick Envista.
This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's full of phenomenal features that any driver would appreciate, such as lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power driver's seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, power liftgate. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.